Hi and welcome to QSE Academy. Every business nowadays needs ISO certification, but hiring a full-time consultant can be very expensive and very time-consuming for you and your employees. Let me tell you something. Things are about to change. We nowadays live in a digital world, and new digital solutions have emerged to make you move quickly and efficiently with your initial certification or transition project. At QSE Academy, we offer what we consider the most efficient solution for small and medium-sized businesses to achieve ISO certification. QSE Academy offers complete ISO packages that come with full documentation, video tutorials and one-on-one online support. All packages are structured to guide you from the initial project setup to the final assessment. This way, you can start up your certification project with a complete documented management system and learn the exact implementation steps to become ISO compliant. And if you get stuck at any point, our experts are here to help answer all your questions and provide guidance. Our ISO expert will meet with you regularly. He will tell you where to start, what the next steps are, and how to resolve any issues you may face. You can meet via Skype, over the telephone, or through any other means at your convenience. You can also reach out to us at any time during your implementation project with unlimited email support and have your questions answered within 24 hours by our experts. We already have more than 100 happy customers worldwide who decided to take the right and the smart decision to use our tools. All information about the ISO kit is below. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We're waiting to see you inside.